wanted something awesome? Like, really, really awesome? Oh.
10 Robux.
No! This is not an advertisement for Robux. It's an advertisement for your friend circle.
He costs 1 million Robux.
Hi guys, I'm your friend circle. Buy me now. We don't have time for that. Oh, right. This is not. Where the hell am I? Uh-oh! I'm falling down!
Who the hell are you, bruh?
I'm the Bus 6, host of Battle for Bus 6, Season 6 of Battle for Bus 2.
Wouldn't that be Season 6 of Battle for Bus in general? Die!
No! I'm dead! No, I'm dead! No, I'm dead!
Welcome to the episode 3. It's elimination team.
Elimination time. Ta-da. So you three are the only people who got votes. So get your feet over here.
Today we're gonna be doing a wheel.
I don't want to do a wheel. I want to do a challenge.
Okay, tiebreaker challenge then. The challenge is to be the first. The first to the jump are safe.
So the first two people to land are safe. Okay.
Yeah. Looks like a green guy, I forgot the name of him, is eliminated.
What the fuck? It's Groy's over.
That rain felt really good.
No, it didn't. You just killed one of my friends. Don't we hate that guy?
That was rain.
Yeah, I lied. We're not friends. I hate him. That stupid idiot's stupid. Oh man, we lost a member. Ow.
Who even cared? He was like the least relevant contestant.
Aren't we all like not even that relevant at all? Like nobody even watches this. Nobody cares.
Well, Groys was probably the least relevant on our team.
Meh. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree. Stop it! That's mean! Stop being mean! Stop being mean!
I'm gonna bite your lips. I'm gonna bite your lips.
What the? No! No! It's okay. We can all get along as friends. Wait.
Yay!
No! Oh! Our team is wackily disjointed now. Let's go to another team.
Oh boy. Can't wait for this new challenge.
Wahoo! Me too. I'm going to win because I'm obviously like the best contestant ever. Shut up.
Wait, when could Wahoo say anything other than Wahoo?
Wahoo!
No, you just said me too. I know you can talk.
Wahoo? The secret's out, buddy. You're being exposed on Twitter. Wait, no! 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 Get off me! Get off me! This is so chaotic. I hate this. I don't want to be on this team anymore. Can I switch?
No!
God damn it. I'm gonna... You know what? I'm gonna do it anyway. Can one of you leave? I want to be on the team.
Why don't I eliminate you instead of you switching?
Okay. Double elimination in this episode. God damn it. This show sucks. It's a wreck. We need to get more talking scenes before the actual challenge. So, what do I do now? Hey up, it's me, the Boss 5! We're not doing this again.
Not another one of you fellas.
I came here to announce a special challenge that I've been working on for this show, because I wanted to collaborate with you on this special journey. The challenge to climb this giant thing I found, whatever the hell this thing is, I don't know. Does anyone know what this is? Please tell me, please tell me, please tell me. Sorry. What are you doing? Ah!
Loing.
This day's going really chaotically today. Yeah, same, no!
Your challenge is to find the thing. You climb it, not find it. It's right there. You don't need to find it.
Why not spread your arms and fly? That thing can talk! Shut up, go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, Jesus! This thing's so big! How are we supposed to climb it? Jump, you idiot.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Pain 3D powers activate.
Well, this is an actually steep surface, so I'm just gonna roll off immediately.
Don't worry. Pain 3D powers activate. Okay, I'm just gonna drag all of you up.
Uh-oh, we're falling! We need to seek refuge. See, I told you this day was going so chaotic. The giant 2017X is rumbling. Maybe that's your fault. You know what? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Ha!
Wait, aren't we missing someone?
Oh my gee, yeah we are. Where's inanimate pizza? Yeah, so about that, we all just got crumpled up in one spot, and now we're, not merged, but I want to get you guys back, so, See, I hate everything about this day! Stop being so depressed. No.
This is not the depression episode. Oh boy, I sure do wonder how we're gonna jump the thing.
I do too! I do! I don't, because I already know how we're gonna climb up this thing. Wait, who even was our sixth member? I'm right here, dude. No need to worry, bros. I hate you. Well, I'm really strong. I can punch you in, like, one hit. Is that a one-punch man? No. No, it's not. Shut up. How are we going to climb up this stupid 2017X?
Hey, don't call me stupid.
I'm going up there now. Damn, it really feels like I'm flying. Hi. Hey, Flim, is our team safe now?
The cool ones is safe. 4 spots remain.
Hi, I'm the cool ones. Ha 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 ha! Wait, how are we even gonna get up here? That's all anyone ever says. Clearly, I'm the Sigma male here, so shut up. I'm gonna make you have the Jedge development now. I'm gonna be cool! I'm cool now. Hi, God. Oh, I am cool. You already said that.
Oh, do. I've been married a long time ago.
Now's not the time to
Wait,
sing.
he's
To get up.
wait. He sung the secret do fling spell.
Wait. Ho ho ho!
What?
Ah! 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 Help me, guys! I'll help you all. Sigma, activate. Ow! 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 Wow, everyone sucks at this challenge. I sure hope everyone just gets better. Man, I agree. Man, I agree. It's me, the character.
What the fuck? BFDMS crossover again?
No, I'm gonna leave. Okay. Anyway, you guys have to get back up. How do we do that? It's okay. Evil David just have to sing
Uses my number
Lord
block
Jesus.
fling spell. Do. I've been married a long time.
Alright, that's cool
I'm
and all,
bringing
but
a
how are
brand
we
new
gonna get
gimmick
up
is safe.
to his head? I know how to do it.
Do. I've been married a long time ago. I'm bringing the brand new gimmick is safe.
Oh yeah. Ow. This
Only
is cool.
2 spots remain.
I thought 3 spots remain because.
Well, we're doing a double elimination.
Okay. Now I know. Let's win.
Guys, how are we gonna do the challenge?
Let's not do it. I don't want to be up here for long. All right. I don't want to be in the show, you know.
Stop being a party pants pooper.
Yeah, you're a party pooper. No, I'm not. I'm just not gonna do the challenge. Simple.
Well,
Get up for elimination.
eliminated. For being a lazy ass mother.
You're not the host. Well, you're not the host, so I don't get. Fine, let's do the challenge. Your boy. Uh-oh, I'm tipping off. Uh-oh, I'm tipping off. Guys, help me!
Wow.
I feel awesome.
Oh, gotta use my printer power. I'm bald now, what the fuck?
Oh wow, I'm not bald anymore. Uh-oh.
This is so good.
I'm gonna fly because I'm so happy! Don't fall off again. I'm gonna fall off again.
Team fight!
I did it! What?
The spot remains. Who will make it?
Can you be a little more...
Blah, 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 blah. Will it be? Will it be? Blah, 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 blah. Red enjoyers? Or most of us are friends?
What about us?
Oh boy. Hope we don't lose the chat time.
I think we're gonna lose the challenge this time.
I know how to do it. Let's just get the to carry us up.
I'm too small to do this.
Who said wrong?
I
We
to the sky. Alright, on my way. severely hurting my arm. That's not cool. I don't like that. Can you get off my arm? Okay. Don't fall. I'm gonna go now. Sure, but fly doesn't hit me. Ow! What the fuck? Guess I'm on this team now. But to positive friends, put Mr. Fly. And Mr.
Who
Fly.
the fuck you aren't on that team?
Okay.
Stop crying.
Okay. Let's get up. Sounds good, but how am I supposed to carry 3 people at once? I'll grow you with my awesome powers! No,
Yeah.
You don't have powers. You suck. You're fatally flawed, Diamond. You suck. You're a bad character. No, I'm not. You're buffoon. Shut up.
What the fuck? I gotta carry all 3 of them.
I'm going upwards. So I can fit all of you. What are you doing? Get off me, you imbecile! Wahoo.
Hey, where's feeling human?
They got eliminated. Wahoo. Oh.
Okay. That means most of us are friends and Dread Enjoyers are up for elimination. What the fuck?
Hey, he didn't say cool Mickey! Also, wait. Wait a minute! Wait a minute! I have an idea! Let's peg them so that we can get a safe spot.
Dude, you're literally up for elimination. It's a double elimination this episode.
I don't want it to be.
Okay? You're not the host. You're not
Now
the
there's 2
host.
of me. Now there's 1 of me. Now I'm the other way. You don't have to announce everything you do. Wee ha ha.
Cue the voting screen because it's the up for elimination. Wow.
Hey guys, it's me, the bus 3.5. No, you're not!